What's going on, guys? Tosker here, and in this video we are starting our series of creating a contact book in WPF. Now in this video, part 1, we're just going to cover some basic things we're going to get out of the way to try and save some time in the process of making this. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your app.xaml, and in the description below I'll have a link to the code so you can copy and paste this. What this is basic application brush resources that we're going to use for styling in our application. If you see here, I actually got these colors because I'm not good at matching colors together. So I went to flatUIcolors.com and they have some decent palettes so you can find colors you like together. And then I created some solid color brushes in here so I can just reuse them by calling their names, such as Blue Horizon. The next thing we're going to need is, if you notice over here in my Solution Explorer, I have a resources folder, and we have some basic images here that we're going to use throughout our application, mostly on buttons. You can also find a link to all these same images in the description below. You can feel free to use your own images if you want. Now if you want to add these, you want to go over here to our project and go to Properties. And then here you'll see we have all of our images. If you go over here to the left, you'll see resources. You want to click that, and let me zoom in a bit. And then up here we'll see you will see strings. It'll start off like this most likely, and you want to click this, go down to images, and go to add resource and do add existing. And once you do that, it should open up a file explorer, and you can go to pictures, for example. And if you want to add them, you just select the image or multiple images if you want. In this case, we'll select one, and you just want to open it in, and we'll see here that it added our new image. And it'll also add it over here in our resources folder. Now lastly, what you want to make sure is, just so we don't run into bugs later on, is you want to select the first one, hold shift, and select the last to select them all. Then you want to go down here to our properties panel and change the copy output directory to do not copy, instead to copy if newer. And basically what this will do is copy our resource folder and files within it into our debug folder when we run the application. And that's it. Like I mentioned, anything that I talked about or that you need can be found in the description below. And now we're going to move on to actually writing some code.